Have a nice day, student. Today we continue natural resources. In natural resources, we have already discussed about atmosphere. Today we discuss about hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the area of Earth which is covered by the water. We call them hydrosphere. So here today we discuss about the hydrosphere. So the two-third part of the land is covered by the water. This water divided in two groups or two types. First we call them ocean water. Ocean water cover approximately 97% total water of earth, and remaining 3% water is present on the earth. We call them fresh water. So first of all we discuss about the type of water which is present on the land, especially fresh water. So fresh water can be divided in following types. First of all, we call it the rainwater, which comes on the land through the rainfall. We call it the rainwater. Second water, we call it the surface water. And third one, we call it the groundwater. So this is the types of fresh water. Now, we discuss about what is the role of these water molecules in the living beings. So the water is very important resources or very important entity for the survival of living being. It acts as a universal solvent. Various chemical activities in living being are occur in the water. Water is very important in various metabolic activities. Water is very important in the case of animal cell as well as in plant cell. In the plant cell, it is very important for the turgidity of the cell. Turgidity is the feature of plant cell in which plant cell occupied or gets its full size. So such type of feature we call them turgid cell. Whenever the cell gets its full size or its maximum size obtained due to the presence of water inside it, we call it the turgidity. The water is also helpful in the digestion because all the biochemical reactions or all the enzymes work in the liquid medium. Next point, it is also helpful in the circulation of fluids, or in the case of circulation, water is also helpful in the aquatic animal in the case of fertilizations. So the water is very necessary for the living beings. It also maintains the temperature of the body. So it is very necessary for living beings. So whenever any undesirable change occur in the water, we call it water. Water become polluted due to any undesirable changes in its physical, chemical, and biological nature of water. So these changes are known as the pollution in the water. Whenever the water becomes polluted, it reduces or it degrades its quality, and this affected the living beings. So any changes in the physical, chemical, and biological changes in the water qualities, it is harmful to living beings. So we call it polluted water. How we can measure the pollution of the water? So pollution water is measured with the help of BOD, biological oxygen demand. BOD refers to the living beings decomposed or decompose the dead matter in the aquatic medium. Dead matters are decomposed by decomposers. So they require the oxygen. So whenever the dead matters or decomposed matters or organic matter whenever increase in the water body, so they require the more amount of oxygen for oxidation of dead matter. So whenever the oxidation of dead matter increase in the water body or in any water, so such things are called the or such a parameter is called the increase the BOD. BOD is the biological oxygen demand in the water. Because biological oxygen demand increase, it means water become polluted. So water pollution is measured with the help of BOD. Now we discuss about what are the resources of water pollution. So water pollution is due to the three major factors. First, we call it the household detergent or household waste material. Waste material. It is responsible for the pollution of water. Second, the water is polluted due to the presence of sewage in the water body. And third one, we call them industrial. Industrial waste, it means many industries that produce the various chemicals. These chemicals are directly discharged in the river and water body and they causes the pollution such as phenols, acids, acids, base, phenol. These all are the chemicals which causes the water pollution. Some of the very toxic material also such as mercury. Mercury is a highly toxic material. It is liberated or discharged in the water body during processing and it will cause the death of living beings and causes the disease also. Now, the disease which is caused due to the presence of the mercury, we call it the Minamata disease. So, how we can control the water pollution? So, obviously, water pollution it can be controlled or it can be regulated with the help of some measures. So, first of all, we can remove the waste products or remove the waste material from the industrial exhaust. Industrial waste material containing the industrial water waste contain the many toxic substances. Whenever we remove them, so it will also help in the controlling of water pollution. Now the another important things which is related with the water pollution, one of them we call them bioaccumulation. Bioaccumulation, what is the bioaccumulation? Bioaccumulation is the phenomena in which the chemicals become highly concentrated or stored. Chemicals become deposited or accumulated in the living beings in successive tropic level. Successive tropic level are called bioaccumulation. Example, DDT is the chemical which is stored in the successive tropic level and it is also considered as a bioaccumulation. So bioaccumulation is the accumulation of chemicals in the living beings during the uh, transport of food. So such event and such things are called the bioaccumulation. Another important term we call it the eutrophication. Eutrophication is also another related phenomena or event or demerits of water pollution. So in this event, the water body become excessive enriched with nutrients, but the but living being, living being become die due to due to lack of oxygen is called eutrophication. It is caused due to the some reason. It is caused due to the excessive growth of algal blooms or excessive growth of living beings in aquatic water body. So it will cause the eutrophication in the water. Thanks for today. Have a nice day.